Recreation scenes for an installation to go into a new museum being built in France to be dedicated to the Anzacs will be filmed over the next couple of weeks at Masterton's Hood Aerodrome. During the battle scenes, producers will be using machine guns, cannons, and there'll be explosions. Producers say they'll be shooting some evenings, but hope to finish any battle scenes by 10 p.m. Wild Bear Entertainment has been commissioned to produce the media for the Sir John Monash Centre, set to open on Anzac Day next year. To celebrate Arbor Day 2017 and encourage those exploring State Highway 2 by campervan to travel sustainably, Tui Brewery will gift a native tree to visitors staying at the Mangatanoka Reserve. Nick Rogers from the Experience Collective, the company that manages the visitor experience at Tui Brewery, says from Arbor Day on June 5th he will give a free native plant to people choosing to stay at the Mangatanoka Reserve just across the road from the brewery. Nick says the reserve, which caters for self-contained campervans, is located on the banks of the Mangatanoka River, the main water source for the brewery to use in making its beers. He says the initiative is designed to encourage visitors to the small North Island township to leave the environment in better shape than they found it and enjoy a strong connection with the land. And in sport, it's a busy night tonight at Trust House Memorial Park with 3 games of college rugby. At 4:45, Kitanui play Wairarapa Blue, followed by Wairarapa Gold and Makolda going head-to-head. And Rathkiel Developments and the Chanel Rathkiel combined sides also face off. For local news, good morning, I'm Brent Gare.